Hey guys, it's Monty with Kaizink, giving you guys a process video of making our daily Facebook and Instagram post via Meta Business Suite. So we're logged into our Kaizink page, and so from here you're going to go down to Meta Business Suite, and you can see that this is the week of the 10th to the 14th, and I already have scheduled all of our posts for 6 a.m. Those are going to get posted to both Facebook and Instagram, and then our Facebook story. And then to see what else we have planned, you can just click on Planner right there, and you can click on Month up here. And you're going to see that we're scheduled to all the way to the 14th. And I've already done one for Monday and Tuesday, so I'm going to just go through one right here for you guys. We're just going to click on this plus sign here. We're going to say schedule post, and I'm going to change the time right here to 6 a.m. to keep it consistent. 6 a.m. I'm going to click save. And a really important thing to do is make sure that you click the location in the text box. And I'm going to type in Kaizink and click save. And then we're going to add our photo. We're going to say from desktop. And then we're going to select the next one in line. So we have this one from 217 here. We're going to select open. And all we have to do next, once it's done loading the preview, is click schedule. And then when it says boost your post, you're going to say maybe later. And that's it. The next part you're going to want to do is make sure you go back into that folder that's located on the farm under Kaizink social media quotes. So I use this one here, so I'm going to make sure I move that one to post it already. That way you don't post the same thing twice. Thanks for watching.